Alright, this is video 2, and what I'm going to do is give you instructions on how to use this series to attain or retain the information you're looking for. Okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a number at the front of all of these videos. 1, 2, 3, whatever. And it'll say Carcano Rifle Questions. Every single video title in the series will have a number. The last one was 1, this one is 2. Carcano Rifle Questions, and then like this one will say instructions or how to use the videos. Okay? And I've been thinking, and like I said, with all these problems and processes, to answer a lot of questions, I could go on for 20, 30 minutes in a video. Well, people reject this, okay? And the thing is, what's wrong is you guys approach me like I'm some kind of app or something, okay? And it's just like, well, I had this ammo with a 264 diameter bullet. I'm not getting accuracy out of it. How do I make it more accurate? Well, there is no simple explanation or do this and your problems will go away. Chances are the rifle you have won't shoot worth a shit with 264 diameter bullets. Okay, the fact you're asking me that question means you're not looking in depth into this system, the cartridge, or, you're not going to find a solution to your question. And just me saying yes or no, chances are it'll make you angry and you ain't going to watch my channel anymore. So, the key to doing this is I will try to explain everything in order. Okay, and if you follow the series, alright, starting with 1, 2, if you find this in the middle, and I'll make a mention, okay, follow the series in the sequential order, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I will try to keep the flow going, keep the video short, so while you're watching the video while driving through heavy traffic or doing your job or whatever the hell it is you do on the phone, you'll be able to do this. And it's an experiment, because really if this doesn't work and I don't get through to people trying this, I'm going to give up. Alright, so please do what I ask. Follow it in sequential order. Try to keep them short, but that's what we're going to do, and we're going to explain 1, 2, 3 at a time. And by then, you should be an expert and be able to come up with a solution to your problems. Okay?